Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can upload the Elementor Pro zip file onto your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, Elementor Pro is the paid version of Elementor, which you can use with your WordPress site as a plugin to change your site, add several different things, use their tools to change your site in a way that you see fit, and it is a very useful plugin. Now, you install it as you would any other plugin, and I will be showing you guys how to do that. I won't be showing you the exact process since I can't install plugins on the free plan myself, but I'll do my best to explain everything for you guys with my own words. Now, once you're on your dashboard on WordPress, of course, make sure that you first have a subscription to Elementor, and then that you actually download the zip file that you need to install, and then you should be good. Now, first, before we install that, what we need to do is go into the marketplace for the plugins and then search for the Elementor website builder. So just Elementor, search for it. And once you do Elementor website builder, this is the app that you want. Just download it and activate it, and it should work. Once you're done with that, then you can start adding your zip file. Go into add new plugin, and here, as you can see, I can't show you, but once you go into this page, you'll have the option to upload the zip file that you downloaded earlier. So just upload that, wait for it to install, and that should be it. Once that's done, that should pretty much be all you need to do. However, at the top of your site, somewhere over here, you'll get a notification bar, which is pretty much just to connect and activate Elementor Pro to your account. You just click on the connect and activate button, and after you do that, just log into your Elementor account, and you should be set with everything. And that is all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.